So we want to find the value of s from this beautiful Math Olympiad question. Solution. 1/216 raised to power 2s is equal to x. Then this is the same thing as 1/216 raised to power 2x is equal to x, because 1 raised to the power 2s is the same thing as 1. Then let's find the reciprocal of this. So this is over 1. So we have 216 raised to power 2x is equal to 1 over x. At this point, we can multiply the exponents of both sides by 1 over x. That is 216 raised to power 2s multiplied by 1 over s is equal to 1 over s multiplied by 1 over x. If you have a raised to power n to the power of m, this is equal to a raised to power m to the power of n. And this is 216 raised to power 2x over x is equal to 1 over x to the power of 1 over x. This will cancel this. Here is 216 square is equal to 1 over x raised to power 1 over x. But 216 is the same thing as 6 raised to power 3 square is equal to 1 over s to the power of 1 over x. Then also, if you have a raised to power n to the power of m is equal to a raised to power n m, then this can be written as 6 raised to power 3 times 2. 6 is equal to 1 over s to the power of 1 over x. With this, we can see that the base is equal to 1 over s, which is 6, and this exponent 6 is equal to 1 over x. Therefore, 1 over s is equal to 6. Now with this, we are looking for the value of s. Let's multiply both sides of this equation by x. 1 over x multiplied by x is equal to 6 multiplied by x. This will cancel this. 1 is equal to 6x. Now let's divide both sides by 6. 6s divided by 6 is equal to 1 divided by 6. This will cancel this. S is equal to 1 over 6. And this is the final answer. Thank you.